Hi and welcome. I'm Denise Moore from Rovithis Realty. We're here today at 21 Jessie Lane in Broadbrook, Connecticut. Please enjoy this tour. This is your opportunity to take advantage of this new construction where the paint is still fresh. This country colonial offers over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Enjoy the large gas fireplace in your open floor plan with an extra large eat-in kitchen. It's just perfect for entertaining. Second floor has a bonus room and the convenience of the second floor laundry. Hope you enjoyed your personal tour today. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listings, feel free to call the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.